gorgeous friends. Welcome to a mukbang. I'm gonna eat with you. I'm gonna eat with you. We're gonna have some fun and eat some Doritos. I made pizza. I made 2 pizzas. And then I put a little one on top of the big one. Where's my chapstick? Oh, the elephant in the room. Oh. I mean, besides me. What a funny joke. I'm wearing a latex catsuit sent to me by my online friend and viewer, Travis. Travis, thank you so much. I shot a try-on in this today. And now my other dream is to eat pizza in it. And I apologize. However, I have the song, the Elvis song, Return to Sender, stuck in my head, and I've had it in there for quite some time now. I have a lot of dreams. I have a lot of goals in my life. One of them was, since I saw this on Instagram or something like that, was to make like a double-decker pizza when you put like smaller pieces of pizza on top of another pizza. So, you know, I dropped it in the mailbox. Da, 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 da. Ooh, half of it is like that. Okay, double-decker pizza time. Let's have a double motherfucking decker pizza time. Bright and early next morning, he brought my letter back. She wrote about it. Oh, let's fucking do it. Double-decker style. Cheers. Oh my god, this is actually better. I swear. Honestly, that's living. God. This one on top is a stuffed crust. Digiorno, baby. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was questioning whether or not I should do this. I should question my sanity right now. Huh. But my sanity won in the end. Oh. Excuse me. I should get a napkin. Hold on. Help. That is so good. Wow. I had been like on a diet, so hadn't really eaten too poorly, but like, yes, I want this. If you're new to my channel, like, I like latex and I've worn it now and then, and it's an experience. I think you should try it if you haven't already. It just like feels good. You feel like a superhero. It's a second skin. It just makes you feel like good about yourself, I feel. Oh my god. It's like a pizza sandwich. With the Corona. Oh, you know what else I have? You know what I look like? I look like a bag of Doritos. You know what I'm happy about? The fact that I look like a bag of Doritos. Oh my god. I love this. I love like choosing to do whatever I want to do and like doing this, honey. Oh. Wow. What I really want to do Have you guys ever been on an all-inclusive vacation? I've never been on an all-inclusive vacation where you can just like eat whatever you want, drink whatever you want. I want to do that. I texted my friend this morning. I was like, can we please go on like a vacation? I want to like go to an all-inclusive place. Yeah, I don't know. I used to not be like that. Like, I used to not want to go to a place where like the main things that you did was like sit on the beach, kind of, because like I want to like go and experience places more like London or like Thailand or like anywhere in Europe that I've never been, and just see like more culture and stuff instead of like sipping Mai Tais by the water kind of thing. Because I like to like do things, see things, like see how people live and stuff like that. But now I'm thinking I kind of do want that. Like, I do want to experience an all-inclusive vacation and just chill. I guess after I went to Disney, well, Disney's like a lot of fun, and a lot of action. But the days that we got to spend just like by the pool, and we rented a cabana and we had cabana service, that was fun. That was so cool. So I think that kind of vacation would be like that day that I had. Ah, this is the life. But if you mess around with Dick, isn't it fun? Isn't it grand? Isn't it swell? Isn't it? But nothing stays. Oh, I still have Christmas trees up, honey. 2. You think I should take them down? It's February by now. Do you think I should take my Christmas trees down? They really make me happy. Like, to see their lights, like, it gives me warmth in my heart. Would you take that away from me, would you? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, compliments to the chef. Compliments to the chef. My God. My God. Oh. 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 This is what I do here. Take the nub. You have a nub? Cut your nubs. Now pull out your nub. And then dip it in the extra sauce at the places on the pizza where the cheese went missing. That will help later on when there's too much sauce in that spot and not enough cheese. That'll fix that ratio right there. Good. Good job. Ugh. I feel like a fat cat on Wall Street right now. Just a regular old bigwig, just the man. Just looking down at his kingdom and his riches. Just being content for a minute. Isn't it fun? Isn't it grand? Isn't it swell? Isn't it? But nothing stays. In 50 years or so, it's gonna change, you know. Oh. I don't think I could eat another one. I think that's good. I think that's just progress in like my diet, and that I've been eating a bit healthier lately. I think it's just progress, though. Yes. Yes, it must. Tit must. Tit must. Yes, tit must. Tit must show progress, you know. Am I done? Should I come back to it later? I just leave the camera running and then I come back at midnight and it's like night vision and I'm like eating it again. We could do that. But I don't think this camera does night vision. I used to have a camera that did night vision. You look like a mole. Your face is like a mole at night and it's like, it's pretty cool. I don't know. I feel pretty good in this catsuit. Honestly, I did take it off once to go to the bathroom, and then it was actually easier to get back on than I thought. Because like, it's like warm to your body. It's like it wants to come back. It's like the mask. You know the mask, when the mask comes off and the mask wants back on. I'm sorry. Yeah, I guess I'm done. I'll come back to it, question mark. Maybe I'll be back. Anyway. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. Leave me a comment letting me know that you stopped by. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you. Bye.